Hi, good afternoon. The market structure right now that you're seeing here is uh, we've seen the markets decline in the morning from this level, and it has come down to uh, this level. Probably it will hit about 17,530 something that I'm expecting uh, as a support level. I think this stronger support would be about 17,530. It has already 17,490 levels. It has already retraced from 30s. And as I've been speaking all the times, that 530 is a good support level uh, that one should look at. The market structure, if you look at this one, it is something like this, and I'm suspecting that it may form one more uh, this kind of a step formation, which is quite possible. So one needs to take note of that. Throughout the day, it has remained below the VWAP, and the sell pressure will continue. As you can see right now here, that the sell pressure is continuing. I see this candle getting bigger, and if I check on the put option side of it, it is 202. Most of the put options, if you would try to buy today, you'll not be able to do because there are open position limits that have already reached, and I mostly see this as approaching around these levels. If this level is broken, which is about 530, it would have a tendency to go down to 17,490 levels. On a 3-hour time frame, this is the second of a candle, so I'm suspecting another one more. So it's one, two, and the third candle. This I have covered in my various videos, classes, seminars, that one candle is likely expected, which was this candle I was suspecting. So we have one, two, three. Whether the fourth candle will be formed or not, so we'll have to wait for the fourth candle to form to have a higher probability candle, which would be the fifth candle. If you check it on uh, the 4-hour time frame, uh, this is how it looks like, and I'm suspecting that this would grow bigger post it reaches the 17,531 levels. So one needs to be very careful on that. On a smaller time frame, 17,542, but you should be careful around these levels. When it is finding support at 43, I suspect it may reverse. So 40 points reversals on both the sides. Um, so from 40 it can go to 80, or if it goes down to 80s from here, uh, I would be a little more careful. This I have always spoken about, that the gap would keep increasing. So there were traps created. If you can see, there was a trap created here. Went up, there was a trap created here. There's the third or the fourth trap created here, and uh, this is something you should be aware of. So that's the market structure right now. And some magic has been created on the put side of it. You can also create this magic. If you understand one of these candles, you can easily create some magic, certainly. Uh, but I think because the markets have already corrected, for example, if I'm checking the levels here, the markets have already given up uh, close to 346 points. So it's a significant correction today. And well, I won't feel comfortable about it. In the sense, do I suspect further correction, which is something that I would doubt that there could be further correction, more correction today. Tomorrow could be an interesting day, and could be um, could be a trap, because the markets in quick succession have corrected by about 40, 650 odd points. So one needs to be very careful. Um, I would continue to watch this. A lot depends on how it behaves below 17,500 levels, which is this level, which is the 490 levels that has been created. So stay afloat. This is certainly a bearish market. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth candles are completed, and I'm certainly very, very cautious at this point in time. It is about 1340, and we'll wait for any further movement, or it could possibly see some upside, it's which would give me a feeling that I need to be careful. If you look at this pattern, this seems to be rounding. It may go slightly higher before it corrects further. So this pattern we are aware of, and I keep warning about these patterns. So one should be very, very careful about these patterns. All right, thank you. So stay afloat and use put instruments. However, most of it you can't use it because the OI positions have been reached. So if you're trying to buy 17,000 P 17,200, those are all blocked for positional hold, and so that means that you only have intraday. So please be very, very careful in such positions. Don't buy where the positional is restricted because of the ban.